So there's a great app which is on all your devices, pretty much installed already. You can get it on PC, FIRESTICK, which I'm demonstrating on now, Android TV, your mobile phones, a lot of smart TVs as well, even Roku. And it's full of free movies for you, and many people don't even know they're there. And we have lots of free movies here, as you'll see, tons of content, tons of films, all 100% free, and there's some great films in here as well. I'm going to show you about that one, but before we do, first of all, if you're following on YouTube, do hit that subscribe button. If you're watching on any other platform, do hit that follow button, and come find me out on YouTube as well. Doc Squiffy, look me up, and you will find me. Okay, so what are we talking about today? First thing, I need you all to let me know if you have this, and whether you have this or not. But what you will notice is a lot of us have YouTube, and bear with me on this one, folks. We all have YouTube, but in your YouTube, on the side here, when you're in here, you'll have your movies and TV show section. Okay, so you click on movies and TV shows, and it'll bring you to somewhere like this. And as you go down, there's a section which is free with ads, but not in every country. Okay, you can obviously buy and rent more up-to-date films, like the real latest ones, but the free with ads are all in here, and you can watch them, and obviously you're going to get an advert. So you can push play on it, play movie, and there we go. You obviously get your ad, and then the movie will play. But again, not all country has it. Here in the UK, we actually don't have it. Okay, that's why I wanted you guys to let me know if you have it on your YouTube. So get on your YouTube and go into the movies bit and go to free with ads, and let me know if you've got it in your country, because it's, you know, there's a lot of content in here. All in there. Look, you can just go through. Tons. You can go to view all, and you'll find a lot in here now, okay? Great films as well. A lot of classics. Some of the Die Hard films. Ordering-wise, they're not the best orders. Look at that. One of my favourite films is on there. Some scary films. You know, there's tons of stuff on here. Tons on here. And again, you just click them and play with no charge. So how did I use it? So to demonstrate for you guys, I took myself on a virtual trip. A virtual trip is turning on my VPN. I'm sure many of you have a VPN, but I'm doing this obviously for demonstration purposes. Whacked myself on a country which I knew had it, USA. Reopened up my YouTube, and there they all are, ready to work. Okay, there we go. I used IPVanish VPN for my virtual holiday to demonstrate for you guys, and they're all in there for free. You also have the option, if you can't find what you're looking for, there's actually a lot of like other films on there. If you actually just search a film you're looking for, you can actually find quite a bit. And let me go to my search. No, I didn't want funny fails. Alright, and you could just type in here something like free movies. Okay, you got your free with ads ones there, but you'll be surprised what comes up as well. From like, there's YouTube movies, there's other little channels. Like some of these here, these are somewhere else. 99 movies, Freebirds, Tsunami Sharks. You know, there's loads of stuff in here. Expendables 5, been on there for 10 days. Let's click it. Obviously, I don't know if they've got the rights to upload these movies, but someone has, and they're there. I'm not going to show them on here. Okay? Not going to show them. And it's as simple as that. Really easy app, which you all have. Like, you can do the same on your phone, on your PC, on your YouTube. Obviously, when you turn your YouTube on, you hit subscribe to Doc Squiffy, and then you go and search it. If anybody is after a VPN, this is more for your privacy, not specifically linked to this video, because I'm sure many of you have them, or you already have the free movies in your country. But if you need to take a virtual holiday like I did, I like to use IPVanish because for me, it has a great price and a great lot of features with it. So you've got it all down here, all easy to use, and you've got lots of options for yourself as well. So you've got all VPN plans, including this new advanced VPN, which I'm going to find out a little bit more about on that one for you, because I'm intrigued on that. You get secure browser, phone support, and cloud storage. That's in there. You've got secure your streaming activity, protect your FireStick traffic or all your traffic, surf the web without a web trace, and obviously change that geolocation because there's many different servers on there. Brilliant. Quick video today, beginning of the week. I've been Doc Squiffy. Share the video for me, whichever platform you're watching on. Any links you might want. If you want that VPN, the link's on the screen now. Or if you're on YouTube, the link will be underneath in the description and the pinned comment. Enjoy those videos. Let me know how you get on and whether you have them. Hit that follow button, and I'll see you soon.